Hi guys, I'm back today with another video. I'm starting off with some red candy melts and some heavy whipping cream. I had this placed in the microwave and just stirring it up until I have a nice smooth consistency. Then I'm placing that to the side and starting off with my cake. I have some 8-inch cake rounds. I'm using vanilla cake with my buttercream frosting. I'm filling in each layer and then repeating the process until I get to my top layer. And then I will be doing the crumb coat, which will also be my final coat. I decided to do a naked cake today. I'm going around my cake, making sure all of my gaps are filled in with my buttercream, and then I go in with my cake scraper just to smooth out my cake sides. And then I will be cleaning off the top of my cake, placing this into the freezer for it to chill right before I put on my chocolate ganache. Okay, my cake is back out. Now we can start with my chocolate drip. And I just have my ganache into a piping bag. And then once it's done, I place this back into the freezer for about 5 minutes before I start piping on the top. And I decided to do eyeballs today for my theme, just to match with the Halloween holiday that's coming up. I'm just using my regular buttercream just to pipe on some eyeballs onto my cake. And then I had some tinted black to make the pupils. And then I went ahead and with the same red ganache, I did more drips on top of my eyeballs. And this is what my cake looks like, you guys. This is my version of a Halloween drip cake. Hopefully you guys like my tutorial on how I did this cake. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video.